Are your homemade cookies always flat, crispy, and a bit disappointing? What if you could make these thick, soft, incredibly chewy bakery-style cookies every single time? The secret is surprisingly simple. It all starts with the basics. Cream together your softened butter with both brown and white sugar. Trust me, the brown sugar is absolutely key for that lovely chewy texture and that deep caramel flavor. Next, beat in your eggs and don't forget a good splash of proper vanilla extract. It makes all the difference. Now for the dry mix. Gently fold in your flour, a pinch of bicarbonate of soda, and a bit of salt, just until it's all combined. Don't overmix or you'll lose that gorgeous softness. And now my favorite bit, be generous with the chocolate chips. Go on, don't hold back. The more the merrier, right? All right, here comes the #1 secret. If you want those thick, chewy, bakery-style cookies, you have to chill your dough. Cover your bowl and pop it in the fridge for at least an hour. Overnight is even better if you can possibly wait. This is what really develops the flavor, and it keeps your cookies from spreading out and going flat in the oven. Seriously, this step is everything. Once your dough is beautifully chilled, scoop it into balls and pop them onto a lined baking tray. Make sure you leave a little room for spreading. Bake them in a hot oven until the edges are golden, but the centers are still just a tiny bit soft. That's the trick. As they cool on the tray, they'll set up perfectly chewy in the middle. Now, the hardest part? Let them cool on the tray for a few minutes before moving them. I know it's absolute torture, but trust me, it's worth it. Pro tip: for extra flavor, toast your flour in the oven for a few minutes before adding it to your cookie dough. It brings out a nutty, rich taste. And now, the moment of truth. Take a look at that pure, chewy, chocolatey perfection. Soft in the middle, packed with gooey chocolate, just like those dreamy cookies from your favorite bakery. No more flat cookies, just unbelievable bakery-quality treats right from your own kitchen. Honestly, your friends and family will beg you for this recipe, so be prepared to share your secret. If you're going to try this cookie secret, hit that like button. Subscribe to Another How To Guru for more foolproof recipes and baking secrets. And tell me in the comments, what's your all-time favorite type of cookie? Happy baking!